In front of me, I've got a Merkava main battle tank 172 fine painted model kit. It's from the brand. Can we see it? There is it. Artisan Desktop War. We got some more info. No, not really. Bought it on AliExpress. We'll leave a link in the description of where I bought it. Pretty nice box, I have to say. We can open it like this. And then the model is here inside. Okay, let's see how I do this. Be careful. Ah! Yep, I already break something. Story of my life. Machine gun falls off. We can fix it. We can fix it. So the machine gun should be right here somewhere. I'm going to fix that first and then we're going further. Okay, I fixed it. I gave the machine gun a different position. It's supposed to be all the way in the front, but I think this looks pretty cool. Probably is even more breakable now, so I have to be really careful. Okay, big machine gun on top, .50 I think. Yeah, very cool looking tank. Oh, by the way, I'm not going to talk about war. I'm here to talk about the model. Please do not comment about the war and what you think of it. This is not the right channel for that. We're talking about models, diecast, etc. The cool thing about this model, I have another one here, and I'm going to show you that later. This one got the chains. Got a number 13. Not sure if I would drive a tank with the number 13 on it, but maybe in Israel it brings luck. Yeah, Artisan looks pretty cool. I paid around 40 euro for it, a little bit more. There are also stores that are selling this for 72 euro. Do not buy this for 72 euro. It is definitely not worth it. The turret can spin 360 degrees. Yeah, well, almost. I'm not going to try that. I'm afraid I will break even more. We can take this off. Yeah, we can have a look inside, and there we see some die cast. No, I'm joking. It's time to take this off the base. Hello. Please fit inside. See, we got 2 holes and yeah, there we go. Hey. Okay. Whew. Okay, we're going to take it off the base because I want to know if the tracks go all the way around. I think that's important. 2 screws right here, and one was very long. Oh, they're a little bit tight. You have to be careful not to squeeze the model and break it. Okay, maybe that's enough. There we go with the other one. Hello. Okay, this one is loose. Oh. What is this? Hey, hello, how long is this thing? Look at it. There we go. Those are some long screws. Okay, here we got the base. Yeah, nothing special like I was expecting. Do see a license plate here, I like that. And we can see that the tracks don't go all the way around. I don't like that. Especially for a model. Or do I see it wrong? No, I do think, yes, they are going all the way around. Yes, the tracks go all the way around. I see it. My fault. Yeah, also good looking tracks. Yeah, those are from the screw, so probably won't get it back in the model here on the display stand. Okay, here I've got the other Merkava. This is a cheaper model, although it's a little bit stronger. They used different plastic. Doesn't have the chains. I don't know the brand of it, but it's probably easy model. Also got the 3 machine guns on top. Tracks also go all the way around. Different style of tracks here. I have to say that this one has a little bit better paint on it. But I think they both look very good. If you're looking for a good model, this one is around 20 euro and I think it's perfectly fine. Although this one has some more details. Yeah, it's also a little bit more expensive. But you have to be careful. You can break stuff easily. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and I will see you soon. Bye.